the moment of truth. Can I make you some cornbread and pinto, Miss Carly?
Please.
All right, give you another little tip piece there. The best. Oh!
Thank you, thank you.
I'm gonna do one of those for myself. Ah. Let's see how that turned out.
Delicious.
Beans are good. Beans are real good. All right. Well, Cast Iron Chef, Campfire Cookout 2021, the pandemic years.